This is Butch Bartolome, Business Mentor Talks over Manila Times. Today is a very special day for me because this is something that I'm very proud of. That again, whatever disability can become an ability to be always communicate. Communicate is very important sa atin. And this morning, we have a brother and a sister who will tell us about their experience, no? What is their experience in terms of living in this age, in this technology age. So today, this morning, nandito sa ating kasama ang si Jessa at si Gab Manalo. Good morning to you, Jessa and Gab.
Good morning.
Oo.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. So si Gab, Jessa, tell us, Gab, ano ang kanyang disability mula nung siya ba'y bata at lahat, Jessa? You can talk while you're making a sign language.
So he's deaf, profound hearing po siya. So since birth, he cannot hear anything that causes him na hindi rin makapagsalita since wala siyang naririnig.
So ito ba?
He makes sounds po. Pero he cannot hear himself kaya hindi niya po na formulate yung words niya.
So Jessa, si Gab is the youngest of 5, correct?
Yes po.
And ikaw pang ilang ka sa mga magkakapatid?
4th po. 4th.
Ikaw ang 4th. So what did you specialize, Jessa? Anong profession mo, Jessa?
I am in behavioral science po. I currently work as a behavioral therapist.
Behavioral therapist. And as a behavioral therapist, what does it cover?
Behavioral therapist po, it's a scientific-based evidence na you can understand, measure, control, or unlearn behaviors. So I mainly work with kids. So yun po, we're gonna promote good behavior.
Okay. And how does it feel to have a brother, Gab, na ganito ang kanyang disability? Was this something that inspired you to take this profession, Jessa?
Actually po, yes po. It really inspired me to take this profession kasi I had this talk with my mom na sabi niya sa akin, anak, i-push mo yung passion mo kasi bilang nanay na may special kid, ang hirap maghanap ng therapy for our kids na hindi mo alam kung saan dadalhin yung bata. Kasi ngayon po, kukunti lang po kami.
So bali very kukunti lang pala yung mga ganitong profession.
Yes.
Okay. So si Gab, anong feeling naman ni Gab? How old are you, Gab?
I am 24.
24. At eto si Gab, ladies and gentlemen, ay isang well-known gamer, no? Gamer. And a lot of people are wondering, paano naging gamer si Gab who cannot hear and who cannot speak? So tell us, Gab, anong feeling mo when you were growing up?
I feel good if I feel good and nice to the world because they accept me as deaf.
Okay. And naging ano ka no? Ikaw ay si Gab ay very well known, no? Sa social media. And ilan yung kanyang followers sa social media, Jessa?
He has a lot. Actually, it's 343,000 on TikTok.
Wow, yan ladies and gentlemen. Si Gab ay 300,000 plus sa TikTok. And paano niya, naglalaro siya ng game? Paano niya ginagawa yon, Jessa? People are asking.
I start way back in December last year because of the COVID. Yes. My mom gave me a computer, and then I don't know what to do with the computer. So I tried to work with the computer, and then he started playing.
How can he play? Tell us.
I learned how to play with my brother before. When I was a kid, my brother teach me how to play computer games.
Okay. And basically, you're playing a very high malaking game tong ginelaro mo, no? Valorant ba 'yon?
Valorant.
Ah, oo, and this is a high intensity game. Paano ka nagco-cope up doon, Gab?
I have eyes and my senses are good. So I just play normal. So yung hand and eye coordination po niya, it's really good. He's very aware of the game. He has intense focus with his eyes.
So 'yon ang he's using his eyesight,
Yes
no?
po.
And paano siya nakaka-react nung mga games niya, no? Kasi I see sa kanya mga reels, uh, the way he plays is as if he's normal, no? Nakakapaglaro siya. And a lot of people who are commenting, paano nakakapaglaro? Ano ba? Kasi I'm sure marami tayong mga kaibigan na meron din ganitong kapansanan, no? Disability. So, Gab, tell us how you can do it so that you can help others.
Because live people who have good. Let's do it again. Slowly, slowly. Don't.
Mabilis siya magsalita.
Yes, mama. They don't know. The question is how you do it. How? I I play and I always practice with training. And even if I get bored, I always practice and study the game. It's by experience.
Okay. And by experience. So, Jessa, how does it feel na may brother ka si Gab na ganito? Anong feeling mo that you're able to reach out to a lot of people like your brother is uh, has this disability? Anong feeling mo nun?
Yung from the start po, of course, it's a little bit frustrating kasi there are a lot of things we want to say to him pero hindi namin masabi agad since may barrier po eh. We have to talk to him through sign language. But later on po, as I grew up and I mature, I feel very blessed na we have him in our family kasi he teaches us to be patient. And not just that is he teaches us na maging humble and to think about other people's situations too. Na if we have him, meron at meron pa pong mas challenging sa iba.
Mm. So did he ang feeling ba ni Gab is not left out in the family simply because of his disability when he was growing up?
No, no, I don't feel sad. I feel blessed because of God. He gave me this ability.
So when he was growing up from being a child to where he is now, was he able to share or inspire a lot of people too?
I want to people uh, about my experience. Yes po. He said can do everyone. He said that he wants to share his community to the people. He wants the people to know that there are people like him that is very willing and accepting of everyone too. And and share everything. I want to show my that I can do it too. That the normal, whatever the normal people can do, he can do it too.
That's true, no? Actually, disability is not a gap for them to communicate with the normal people, no? In fact, we have companies like Happy Toothpaste, no? Wherein the founder employs the deaf and mute. And he himself, si Mr. Pedro Cecilio, learned how to do the sign language. Tell us, Jessa, hindi ba mahirap mag-aral ng sign language? Kasi right now, we see a lot of TV programs in major networks where I'm really happy that meron tayong mga nagsa-sign language ngayon, di ba? Have you noticed that, Gab? I'm sure nung araw, when you were growing up, it was not like that, no? Pero ngayon, meron mga nagsa-sign language na, no? Part of that small screen. And really, I think the world is now giving emphasis on helping people for you to communicate, di ba? So ganun 'yon nangyayari doon. So Jessa, ano ang mga probably payo mo sa mga parents na merong ganitong meron silang anak or kamag-anak na may disability? What is it that they should do as a behavioral specialist? Ano mga advice mo, Jessa?
As a behavioral therapist po, I think we should first learn how to sign, of course. So, kasi hindi po talaga natin sila maintindihan without any proper communication. And if hindi po marunong mag-sign, at least learn the facial expressions po. Kasi dun po unang lumalabas kung ano yung nafe-feel nila, frustrated ba sila, happy ba sila dito. And ayun po, and give it time na matutunan ng sign language, and also give time for yourself kasi hindi po siya ganun kadali, nakakaaral mo lang, maaalala mo ulit agad siya tomorrow eh. So you need to practice po with someone who also does sign language. Kasi marami na rin po talagang nag-try na mag-sign language, aralin yon. Although ang kulang po is yung communication na magamit yung sign language. So they tend to forget it pag hindi na practice po every day.
Siguro isa pa is being patient, no?
Yes,
Being patient with the
of
member
course.
of the family. Kasi nga, it's not something na people will say, bakit ba naging ganito yung kapatid ko? No?
Yes.
Hindi. It's actually a blessing, sabi nga ni Gab, sabi mo rin, na something for you to appreciate the world of communication, di ba?
Yes.
No, hindi yung pinapabayaan mo na lang yung kapatid mo nasa isang sulok, bahala ka na sa buhay mo. But with the age of technology now, and you as a behavioral specialist, no, dapat tulungan natin mas maging normal sila, di ba? And si Gab nga is really an inspiration to all. And I'm sure a lot of our viewers who are watching this are getting inspired, no? A young man, a good-looking young man who looks normal, and yet nobody can believe that he has this disability. Hindi siya yung, meron kasi tayong mga nakikita na probably not being able to hear or speak, but they look so sad. Pero
Yes.
si Gab looks so happy, right? Ano ba? What makes him happy, Gab? Gab, what makes you happy? You look so happy.
What make you happy? My family, they make me happy and they're very supportive. And they believe in me to whatever I want to do. And yun po, also, I would add up to that. There are a lot of families, especially parents po. Of course, mag-aalala talaga sila pag special yung anak nila. Pero as they grow up, kailangan po natin tanggapin na they can also do it. If we can do it, they can also do it. Kasi yung nangyayari po is we're very worried kasi they're different from us. Pero once natatanggap po natin na si Gab kayang-kaya niya pala, mapapakita pa po nung kid na yon or that special kid na he can do a lot more than us. Na for example, yung gaming po, kami po hindi po namin nagagawa yun. Si Gab po, sikat na sikat sa gaming world.
Oo
Yun.
nga, bilib ako dito sa kanya, no? So basically, so paano yung ngayon yan? Anong gagawin ngayon, kunyari Jessa, kung mga may nanonood and they're in need of somebody like you, how will they choose somebody in order to help them? Or do they really need somebody like you who is a behavioral therapist to help them? Ano ba mga signs na kailangan?
Number one po talaga is they need the diagnostic from a development pediatrician. Then right after that, yung si DevPed po natin, sasabihin kung anong klaseng therapy po ang kailangan. Meron po tayong speech therapy, occupational therapy, and behavioral therapy. So whatever the doctor advises, yun po yung sundin natin. And when choosing a therapy po, a therapist, we make sure sana na si therapist is licensed po. Kasi once na hindi po licensed yung therapist and hindi po nag-undergo ng proper training, maaari po kasing hindi magkakaroon ng progress yung bata. So yun po yung pinaka-importante. They should double check if ano po ba yung license nito and ano po yung ginagawa ng therapist na to. And of course, they should also look into it yung attitude po ng therapist. Kasi we all know naman po na hindi mura eh. So sa others po rin kasi nasisilaw sa money. So they should look into it na as a therapist, very passionate pala na hindi lang basta pera-pera. He or she is always there to help us. Yun po yung priority dapat.
So in other words, Jessa, you undergo so many trainings, so many case studies and exposure, right?
Yes po. Ano po,
Oo.
I'm actually just passed my qualified applied behavior analysis technician sa US po. But I'm going to practice here in the Philippines kasi as of now po, 105 lang po kami sa buong Philippines.
Wow. 105 as against, ano ba ang population ng ganitong may disability? Sa tingin mo, ano bang record so far that we have? You have 105 and yet how many people are in need?
According to the doctor, Sir Boots, right now po, nasa almost 1 million na po in the Philippines. So, sobrang daming
A
patient po.
million.
Yes po.
So that's a alarming number, huh? Imagine, are we still having students studying your kind of course right now?
Yes, sir. Happily na right now po, I think there are schools na po na nag-open for a course ng behavioral therapy, specifically about autism po. Kasi I focus on autism po kasi. So marami na pong open
Okay.
about it. Kasi before po, our culture po, Filipino culture, we're very denial po sa mga ganito. But right now po, since na-expand na yung knowledge natin, nagiging accepting na rin po tayo na kailangan na ng bata mag-therapy para hindi na po lumala yung case niya.
Correct. So that's a very noble job na ginagawa mo. I'm sure it's taxing on your part, but it's self-fulfilling. Especially, you have your brother Gab na
Yes.
nakikita mo na you're able to communicate with him. You're able to have a family na he should not be ostracized from the activities, but really be part of the family, the growing family. Okay. So what is the plan of Gab in the next few years, Gab? What is your plano? Ano mga plano mo?
I wish to focus on my school and meet people and look for a job. And I will make a lot more content so I can grow my community. Sir
Wow.
Boots, Another fun fact po, si Gab po ay Dean's Lister. Sobrang sipag po mag-aral.
Wow, Dean Lister.
Yes.
Oh, saan? Saan? Anong school siya? Anong school si
He's
Gab?
studying at College of St. Benil de La Salle po.
And how many classmates does Gab have na similar to him?
They are 22 in the block, but for the deaf people in the school, we have 74 deaf in the school.
Wow. Nakakatuwa. I mean, I guess I get a goose pimple, knowing that fun fact si Gab ay Dean Lister, no? Ng St. Benilde, no? Mukhang lahat kayo ata ay product ng Animo Lasal.
Yes
Ah?
po. PLSU din
Oo,
po.
mula kay Chef Gary, ikaw rin, Jessa, right?
Yeah.
And mukhang Dean Lister. So, Gab, do you plan to teach in the future? Do you have plans of teaching people like you?
Yes, I believe that I can teach the people in an app. I believe that I can have the opportunity to teach people. But kasi po before po, he really teaches sign language for free here in our province. So we go to different secluded areas na may mga deaf. And then tinuturuan po namin yung parents and sibling mag-sign language. So,
Oh,
yes.
yan naman.
So plan po niya mag-share ng sign language.
Oh, magandang app yan. Magandang advocacy yan, Gab, for you to do that because you're sharing what you have, the blessings with the community, di ba? Maganda yon no? Kasi there are families who cannot probably afford a behavioral therapist, a licensed therapist, but you, being deaf and mute, you're able to reach out, no? In some way or another, di ba? So, Gab, last thing, ano mapapayo mo ngayon sa mga tao like you? What can you advise? More or less, give me 2 advices that you can give.
Oh, I want the deaf to learn what I want them to not be bad to the people, and they need to understand about just being deaf and being accepting. So ano daw po, gusto po niya na yung wag silang maging bad at maging accepting lang po to whatever they have.
Mm-hmm.
So si Gab po kasi pinalaki po nila mama na in whatever he does, he always choose to do the good. So sometimes po syempre, even he gets frustrated to other people since hindi siya naiintindihan, he just thinks na gawin ko na lang kung ano yung maganda instead of mag-react badly. So yun po.
So very inspiring ito, Gab. I'm really inspired by what seeing you now. I've seen Gab and Jessa when you were very small at
Yes po.
the time. That's years ago, no?
Yeah.
Not so much years ago. But again, I've seen your growth, and really, I'm so thankful you have parents like Doc Jerry and Grace who really reared up you into what you are right now, no? Kumbaga, the values are still there, no? Kumbaga, panalong-panalo ang Manalo family, di ba? So, yun ang nakakatuwa. You're always a winner on your whatever you're doing. And really, Jessa, you are somebody who probably is one of the rare 105 people, and you can really keep on helping a lot of. I'm sure it's really stressful work, but it's looking at you, you're always happy, not just like Gab. You're always happy, just like your mother never, always forever young, no, looking, parang ganon. So,
Opo.
thank you very much for this, and really, I hope naka-inspire ito sa mga tao. Okay? Gab, continue your streaming. I'm always watching how you stream, and really, my grandkids are wondering whether you are really the deaf and mute. And I always tell them he is, but look at him. He is so normal looking, right? So, tsaka, ayan, mind you, mga viewers, Dean's Lister yan. Okay? Paano naging Dean's Lister in the world where we are right now? At St. Benilde pa.
And Sir Boots,
Yeah?
hindi lang yan. Gab is also an artist, visual artist po. Naggagawa rin po ng mural paintings. Dami na po nag-hire sa kanya. He's earning a lot more than me.
Oh, meron ka bang mga pictures niyan, Gab? I need some pictures, or probably movie clips, because you can be the modern Picasso of right now, di ba? Of our this modern age, no? Anong klaseng mga pinipaint niya?
He makes murals po to whatever request po ng owner, kung anong gustong gawin, he can do it po. But right now, you make a lot of murals na flowers po. Since my mom loves flowers and plants po, yun po yung naging focus niya and first project po niya.
But does Gab ever portray in his art what he feels inside? Meron ba siya mga ganon?
Meron po siya. Actually, he's building his own brand right now. The name of his brand po is To Have Peace. Kasi, yun nga po, because of everything ng frustration na nafe-feel niya, lagi niya pong sinasabi sa amin na he just wants to have peace. Para acceptance and everything, less stress, peace lang po yung focus niya. You can show
Good,
it.
good. I will be happy to share your works, Gab, especially in this interview. Kailangan natin yan para maka-inspire. You know, in this world of disruption, we need, tama ka, you have peace, no? Kailangan natin ng to have peace in ourselves, no? Lalong-lalo na during this pandemic, di ba? So probably you can share with me, Jessa, his works.
Ayan po, he painted my mom po yung first ever project niya. And then after that, sunod-sunod na po.
O, padala mo sa akin yan, ha, yung mga pictures na yan, ha, para ipopost natin yan sa ating interview. All right? So again, Jessa, thank you very much. Gab, thank you very much. How do you say thank you, Jessa, so I can more or less learn?
Is it thank you? Thank you very
Ganon.
He says thank you and Merry Christmas.
But ako, yun lang ang alam ko lang. Ganon.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. God bless you both. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.
Bye.